My name is Bechal. I am the fourth grade in the Biology Education Department in the Teshik International University. Now I explained the carbon cycle. Inshallah, I will draw into the better understanding you. Okay, I'll start the carbon cycle. Carbon cycle. What is the meaning of the carbon cycle? Introduction of the first. The carbon cycle is the movement of the carbon between air and plant, animal, soil, and another another thing for the plant that inside the soil, rocks. The first step is the sunlight. The first step is the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis that the source of the sunlight. Sunlight, the sun is through to the photosynthesis. And then photosynthesis and then take up to the plant, this plant, and the root inside the soil, the decay organism. That organism. The photosynthesis plants that takes to the carbon dioxide, CO2, the sunlight make to the food. This point is the CO2 plus sunlight that equal to make the glucose. Okay, the second step the second step is the organism that organisms to the organism to the animal respiration and diet organism. This one, the second step is consumption. This one, consumption. Okay, this one, the dead organism and the waste product the fossil that throw to the fossil and fossil. Okay, that the animal respiration, and uptake to the plant respiration and plant respiration, that is a root. This one is a root, the green color, root respiration. The consumption animal eat the plant or to other animal. Carbon moves to the from plant animal, this one, and then now carbon is the inside living the organism. Then to the respiration, plants and animal release the carbon and back into the air. And the second point, glucose plus the oxygen plus O2 plus the O2, they make it to the CO2 plus energy. Okay, this this part of the carbon cycle is the machine and auto and factory assumption. Machine are auto and factor assumption. Okay, now that continue to the cycles, this CO2 cycle. CO2 cycle, the carbon dioxide is the cycle. Carbon dioxide is the cycle, this one, and it continues to the cycle. And the fossil fuel formation, dead organism, this one is the dead organism derived to the dead organism to the 4 million years ago, and then this place is the oceans uptake in the cycles, oceans uptake and absorption, and oceans absorb CO2 from the air, carbon and then the cycle repeats. Atmosphere, that's all. It's the cycle of the carbon cycle. Inshallah, I will understand it. Atmosphere, living thing, earth, and oceans. The carbon cycle shows how carbon moves through life, air, weather, and helping maintain the balance of the earth. The carbon cycle is nearly to the water cycle. The cycle cannot stop. They can move. They can a lot of again by again. Now, this short summary: the carbon cycles show how the carbon moves through the life and air. Inshallah, I will understand. It's very quickly to repeat it. Carbon cycle now. The sunlight. The sunlight. This is a sun that through to the photosynthesis by the plant, decay organism, and then the combustion of the respiration of the combustion, that all to the CO2 cycle, that through to the CO2 cycle, and then the dead organism and waste, fossil and inside the soil. This is soil, fossil and fails inside the soil. This point is not CO2 plus sunlight that makes to the glucose, and glucose plus O2 and makes CO2 and energy. That oceans and then root respiration, and then plant respiration, and then combustion respiration, that all upside to the CO2 cycle, and then the machine auto and factors assumption. This cycle is the carbon cycle. Inshallah, I will understand. Thank you for attention. Okay, in the summary, in the carbon cycle, carbons move in the continuous cycles that keep balance of the life and the earth.